Hi, I'm Lucius.
I'm Anna.
I'm Jake.
Through the magic of the theater, we are here at the Hitchcock Center, our project. But in actuality, we're in the library, working on our project right now. Do you guys want to see it? You do? Great! Let's start, shall we?
So the Hitchcock Center for the Environment is an environmental education organization. It's a nonprofit that's been around for 55 years. So it's a living building challenge building, which is sort of the highest standard for the built environment. And it required us to meet a lot of really important standards, green building factors, but also just taking into account equity and beauty and connection to place and respect for the land.
For our project, we were tasked with constructing a new sandpit for children who visit. This process first involved weeding the designated spot and removing all vegetation. Digging the pit was the second and longest endeavor, as we had to dig a hole deep enough for the pit, as well as a deeper channel for a pipe to ensure that the sand remained dry. With the groundwork finished, we were able to put down the insulation, local stones, and most importantly, the sand.
We made a sand pit. We're going to be putting in a log play structure. So there are going to be all these different features for kids to play on. My background's in landscape design, and really I've been offering that part and then organizing the installation days with volunteers. So this entire landscape largely is also built by volunteers, really. So there's hundreds and hundreds of hours, probably in the end there'll be, thousands of hours that people have contributed. And none of this would really probably would be possible without volunteers helping.
For me, nature incubates so many important qualities, both in children and adults. It promotes exploration, creates wonder, and brings all of us closer as a species, as an entire ecosystem. It's how I was raised, and I think that's what the Hitchcock Center symbolizes.
This project is important to me because I feel like nowadays kids often are playing on their phones and they're not really playing outside, and the Hitchcock Center creates things like wooden toys and the sand pit we built for kids to make them want to go play outside like we used to when we were younger, and I think that's very important.
The importance of this project to me was in the lessons they are teaching all of their kids. This earth is the only earth we will ever have, and the importance of taking care of our home cannot be understated.
The experiences you have when you're young really decide what kind of values you have as you grow up. So to me, the Hitchcock Center represents the values that we are passing down to the next generation. And I think these values are the important ones, especially considering the condition of the world that we live in today.
All right.
Excelsior! Oh, nailed it.
And this is the fruits of our labors.
Hey, look at that. That's our sand pit. We did that.
Yeah, I think we really want to be a place that people feel like they can come for sort of answers and hope around climate change. They kind of be able to come to us and see a place that embodies a potential future. It embodies so many aspects of what I believe. I think that we, as humans, have become far too disconnected from just who we are as animals and as part of nature. And I really think that the key to kind of both our health and happiness as beings and for the planet is sort of reconnecting and sort of getting back to those healthy, more natural cycles. And I do think it's doable even in a modern world.